You searched how to buy shares of Spirax-Sarco Engineering PLC. The company provides steam and thermal energy equipment and services to industrial customers. It trades on the LSE PLC under the ticker SPX.L, and this video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker, and we will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you will usually need to verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can buy shares. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker SPX.L to locate the listing. Select the matching Spirax-Sarco Engineering PLC result to open the stock page. On the asset page, check the basic company information and the price chart to confirm you have the right stock. Verify the issuer name and the SPX.L ticker before proceeding. Click the Invest or Buy button. Enter the amount you want to purchase, then review and confirm the order details. If the market is closed, your order may be queued as a pending order, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before it completes the trade. Once executed, your position will appear in the portfolio with quantity and cost details. A link to the example platform is in the description if you want to follow the same steps.